In SolidWorks, we can use coincident mates in order to place one component on another component. Here I am in an assembly. I have a platform which is fixed, and then I've got a battery and two electrical components that I want to place on that platform. So to start out, let's go to our mate command. This opens up the property manager. I'm going to start out by selecting the flat surface of the platform. Then I will rotate to get to the flat surface of the battery, and it automatically dragged them to be coincident. I'm happy with that. So I'm going to use the green check mark in order to add that mate. Let's continue on. Let's select our platform again and then rotate, and I'm going to select a flat surface. That is good. Let's hit the check mark. And this time, let's select from one of the other components first instead of the platform. Let me select this flat surface and then this flat surface. That is good. Instead of using the green check mark, you can always use the green check mark from the property manager. Then I'll just hit the green check mark again to finish. If I expand my mates folder, there you can see the 3 coincident mates that we have in our assembly.